Chocolate chip cookies are very easy to make, but if you are trying to stay away from butter, then making them could be very challenging. Therefore, today we are going to make a batch of cookies without butter. To start, we are going to add 2.5 cups of flour and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to a small mixing bowl, followed by 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. In a separate bowl, we are going to add a half cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar. Since we are not using butter, we are going to add a cup of oil. If you're a fan of chocolate chip cookies, then make sure to leave a like on this video. Give your sugar-oil mixture a good mix together. Back to our mixing bowl, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavor and 1 large egg, and mix that together. Then add the flour mixture and mix all together. If you like making recipes like this at home, then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future recipes coming out. For our final ingredient, we are going to add 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. But honestly, who counts chocolate chips? So just add as much as you would like and then mix it together. On a parchment-lined baking tray, use an ice cream scooper to shape your cookie dough. We are then going to put it in the fridge to chill for a couple hours before baking. Once your cookie dough has chilled, we are going to cook them for 8 to 9 minutes at 375 degrees. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to watch this video on how to make Insomnia's famous cookies at home. Enjoy!